All right, welcome to the surface of the workbench. As you can see, the prototype arrived. It still has not been powered up. I decided to think about depaneling first. So what you're seeing here on the left-hand side is this PCB set, not assembled, but that has been depaneled and laid out in the way as if my hand were this direction. So this, if you'd imagine that overlay, the surfaces that are visible are correct as well. So you see the CPU's outline here. I hope that'll come out. And you see the CPLD outline here. So those are both going to be facing the user's skin. So I'm waiting to depanel this until I can validate a little bit of the hardware first. Just because even though I found a really good way to depanel this without much risk, if I damage my only functional prototype, that would be bad. But that being said, I did fix some of the problems that I was having, or rather that I introduced during the layout part of it. So this resistor here, the primary shunt resistor, I misspec'd its size, so I repaired that. And also the current sense resistor here, the current limiting resistor for the IR emitters, I also misspec'd, so I replaced that as well. The one thing that I have yet to address is U1, which is right here. So that package was the wrong pitch. And fortunately, my footprint on the board is larger, so I still can fix that. It's just going to take a lot of care that I'm not quite yet ready to do for the same reasons I haven't depaneled it. So in the process of depaneling it, there's one PCB. This one's a development test rig. So I'll bring this back up here. So there's a test harness here that has it's basically just a flex cable breakout with pass-through. And that is not represented in this PCB because I actually soldered the connectors onto it and made a secondary jig. So I'm at 2 minutes.